First things first, activating your Wise digital card for international travel is straightforward. Through the Wise app, you'll usually receive an activation notice. Or you can find the option within your card management settings. It's a quick tap to ensure your card is ready for overseas adventures. Next, understanding currency conversion with Wise is key to saving money when you spend in a local currency not already in your Wise account. The card will intelligently convert from your available balances at the real exchange rate, offering significant savings compared to traditional banks. This happens automatically, but it's always good to review your balances before you tap and go. Always be aware of potential fees. While Wise is celebrated for its low conversion fees, some ATMs abroad might charge their own fees for withdrawals. The Wise app provides transparent information on their fees, so it's always wise to check within the app for specific transaction details or ATM costs before committing. Security is paramount. Your Wise digital card offers advanced security features, including the ability to freeze or unfreeze your card instantly from the app if you misplace it or suspect unauthorized use for online purchases. You can generate single-use virtual card details for an added layer of protection, ensuring your primary card information remains confidential. Finally, for seamless global spending, ensure your app notifications are enabled. This way, you get immediate alerts for every transaction, giving you real-time oversight of your spending and helping you quickly spot anything suspicious. With these steps, your Wise digital card becomes your ultimate travel finance companion, making international spending effortless and secure.